September 15, 2023, 36.5 million. 6 transactions. October 9, 2023 is 50 million. October 24, 2023, 18.6 million. Withdrawal leading up to October 30 election. Cash withdrawal spiked in September and October 2020. Grabe na pagkas. Over 136 million withdrawn during these 2 months. Raises serious concern. Election-related spending and of course, ang nadungog na vote by nakawadawat pa ang tanan. So, mo ni siya ang kung tananin mo ang iyang ma-compare mo ang date kanus siya nag-withdraw o ang amount na makita nimo very related kayo ang pattern nga gidali-dali gyud kung tananin mo grabe ang pagpad withdraw kay murag kadali kay eleksyon na kung kita nimo. So kini nga pattern kung tanaw nimo probably mao kini ang tubag sa pauntanan hatas makapamalit ka og 6,000 asa gikan ang kwarta. So that's the question now. And I hope through COA can help us understand niini nga sitwasyon.